Jason, this is gonna be crazy again. Oh man, I'm gonna stick this tape on there. I'm just gonna stay chill. And it's a whole different animal on this kayak too. The only thing I have to worry about is dumping it. That's cool.
Hey buddy, where you going? We gotta get you back on land. Yeah, there you go. He likes my paddle more than the bushes. There. Okay, here we go. Going the other way. Yeah. Johnny did it. Johnny did it. Oh my God! Wow!
I was so worried.
I wasn't worried at all when I got into it. I got worried in a hurry.
I didn't have to adjust because I was worried from the very beginning.
That's a rapid. That's as much as I ever want to see. God almighty. If that's a 3, I'll take a 3. Thank you very much. I'm done. Holy cow. Good luck. Oh boy. Come on, bro. Come on, buddy. Big leg here. Big leg. Beautiful. Come on. Yeah, buddy.
Oh my God, I'm so good. Are you?
Yeah, I got quite a bit. Yeah, that was a blast. That's my idea of rapid ride. This is like Devil's Lake. Beautiful. Yeah, baby. Here we go again. I got more water than the first time.
I'm gonna sink. Oh my God. Oh my God. I went over the top kaplunk, and then, so I went through.
There were some huge drops in there.
Yeah, big drop.
Huge rocks.
And then there was water coming over here. It was like in a spot like this, and the water came over there and just poured into my kayak.
That was fun. You don't see the drop until you get past them, like right on top of them, and then you're like, oh my God, there's a horrible hole right there, and I'm gonna get swamped. Maybe that's why people scout rapids.
Yeah, it probably is. But that takes forever to get out and scout.
Yeah.
We
don't have time for that.
Invested in jumping in our canoes out.
That's good. Yeah! I saw you! There's a big old rock right there. down in there somewhere. Right there. Here's one I'm gonna hit. You hit it? Oh, I missed it. There's a doggy in the window. Come on, buddy. Holy cow. Come on, man. Yep. Oh, 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 oh. That's what Johnny did. I thought I had all the fun. Oh, oh my God. Did you see me go over?
Yeah, I saw you go over. It was cool as shit.
You got everything you want on this trip. And more. And a little more. All Creek Land.